Hey everybody, it's Jenna here from the Grove Sephora in Los Angeles. Today I'm going to be going through my everyday makeup routine. I usually like to keep my everyday makeup minimal, but I'm going to show you different products and ways to add a little more if you want. So if you want to get ready with me, keep on watching. I'm going to start with my Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment with SPF 30. This cancels out redness and protects your skin, and the Tiger Grass will actually help your redness over time. It also helps prime your skin if you're gonna wear makeup, or you can just wear it alone. Next product is going to be my Lancome Skin Feels Good Skin Nourishing Foundation in the shade Nudie. Next, I'm taking my Drunk Elephant De-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. I love to mix it with my Lancome foundation because it's really hydrating, and the two of them just give me the perfect amount of glow and coverage for an everyday look. I absolutely love this product. It's a serum that's packed with vitamins that protect the skin, help with fine lines and anti-aging, and adds a beautiful glow. It's vegan, it's gluten-free. I do like to mix these products together because then it's only one step, and I am taking a little bit extra underneath my eyes for more coverage. And then I'm grabbing my Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel in Haze, another product I love because it gives me a little bit of color and volume in one quick, easy step. Moving on to mascara, I'm grabbing my Smashbox Superfan Mascara. It's long wearing, it gives me volume, and it's great for every day. This is typically where I would stop on a daily basis, but I am going to show you a few other steps if you want to add a little bit more to your face. I'm grabbing my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer in Milk Chocolate with my Sephora Pro Brush number 49 and adding a little bit of color to my cheeks. I'm focusing it right underneath my cheekbone, lifting my face a little, adding a tiny bit of contour. And then I'm just taking it up my temples and a little bit on my jawline to make sure my face looks even. And now for the eyes, I'm taking my Urban Decay On the Run mini eyeshadow palette in Shortcut. I'm using this palette for a little bit of soft shadow liner, taking the shade Back Alley with my brush number 68 and making a really soft wing. This step just adds a little more attention to the eye. I think it's a really soft way to add a tiny bit more to your everyday makeup look. And lastly, for the lips, I'm taking my Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner in Lolita. I'm lining the outside of my lips only, and then I'm gonna go in and blend it out with my finger. This formula is really soft and creamy, and it's so easy to use. And for added hydration, I'm taking my Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask in Smashed. This will add a little bit more color and a lot of hydration. Okay, so this is our finished look. Super minimal. I like to keep it that way for every day. Not a lot of people have time. You know, whatever your morning routine is, I gave you ways to spice it up or not. But I hope you liked this video. I had so much fun filming. Let me know what you think in the comments and make sure to like and subscribe. Okay,